Namaskar. We are here to start with the reviewing of all the 6 period whatever we have completed, and starting with the barter system at the first period. So here we will try to recollect those bullet points so that we can remember very easily what are the important areas we have covered so far. So in barter system we have seen barter system exists only by exchange of commodities with commodities. That means a barter system depends upon exchanging of commodities, as there was no medium of exchange. So that is the main heartbeat of barter system was that there must be double coincidence once. So long double coincidence of wants happen, we have seen that barter system was not possible to exist. And slowly people started realizing these difficulties, and they started using different crops as well as cattle, which was taking the place of medium of exchange. Then people started realizing that this is also difficult, because cattle or crops every time as a mediator people don't find it is convenient. So they started discovering something else. Then they find that gold, silver or copper coins, this is also very good. But what happens if we see the gold coin or silver coin or copper coin, its intrinsic value, the original value of the metal itself is costly than the exchange value of it. So people realized this, and then they started finding something else as a medium of exchange, and then paper was discovered. And then people started using paper notes, as well as in place of costly metal they started using aluminium as coin. So this is how different evolution took place, and economy from barter economy to came in the currency. Now, what is currency? If we want to see, then we will see in our country we call it rupee. Rupee actually is the name of our country's money. Now this money in different country you will see different name they are saying, and naturally different countries are saying different names, so there must be a common name for the whole world to understand money. That is why currency is given the name. So currency means money name of different country, which is working as a medium of exchange. In India, rupee is accepted by all because it is the medium of exchange, and it is authorized by the government of India. And in the process, Reserve Bank of India, we call it RBI, is given the authorized or issuing authority by the government of India. So this is what about our topic so far in this barter system. These bullet points, if we can remember, then it will be very easy for us to understand the and remember the topics. With this we will conclude here for the next period. Namaskar.